What's up everybody, it's Francis Melagran. We're out here at Head Candy Hotel Arts and we're going to be doing a demo plus hands-on portion for a clipper focus class. So come along and let me show you all the vibes. Everybody, my name is Francis, for those of you that haven't had a chance to meet yet. So for today's look that we're going to be demoing today, as per Pal and I's consultation, we're going to do whatever the heck I want. I always say, yo, dealer's choice, you know, like is it my turn to be creative today? One of the reasons why I do that, I don't do that just because I'm lazy, but I think I've built so much rapport with these guys that when I tell them, hey, you don't have to worry about your hair today. It's only one less thing to worry about for them, and instantly, before I start the haircut, there's trust. And when you have trust on the chair already, before you even start, like some of these guys don't even look at the mirror. They want to see what's going on outside. Some of them say, yo, turn me around. I want to see the people walking by. I want to see the city alive, right? But that's because we've established trust right away. And that's one of the first key points that I wanted to share with you guys on how I was able to really grow my business exponentially because it started leaning on trust. So when somebody says, hey, I don't really know what to do today. I got your back. This is the consultation piece now, right? With every haircut you're starting off, you want to start with a consultation, especially if it's a new guest. When you first start by saying, hey, nice to meet you, my name is Francis. Oh, Kyle, that's amazing. Oh, look at your shoes, that's great. How do you feel today? What do you feel about your hair? Something like that, building that personal connection, eye to eye. That's how you gain one of the trust. Shaking their hand firmly, saying their name. It's not, hey bro, it's not hey man, it's not hey girl, it's hey Kyle. And one of the things that pisses me off sometimes is when a barber just sees hair as hair. It's a person first, and then their hair comes next, right? So if we want to establish being genuine, being authentic with our guests, we need to call them by their first names, right? Especially if it's somebody new. It's not like, oh hey bro, yo, it's your... It doesn't work like that. You know, they want to feel like they're seen, they want to feel like they've been heard. If you can shake their hand firmly, maintain eye contact, say their name before the clippers start taking their head, you have a guest that's going to come back to you for as long as you're alive.